Welcome to Niral Thiruvizha, where innovative ideas meet impactful solutions. Let's walk you through how to register a problem statement on our platform. Go to www.niralthiruvizha.in. This is the homepage of Niral Thiruvizha. On the homepage, click on the problem statement option in the banner. You will be directed to a login portal. Select your category as Government Department, then enter your name and other required details. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and verify your account. A pop-up to update your profile will appear. Fill in all the necessary details to proceed. Next, select a theme from the available options. Enter your problem statement in the provided field. You can choose multiple themes if relevant. You can create up to 5 problem statements. The counter on the top left will show how many you have created. You can also edit your problem statements and update them anytime before hitting your limit. Once you are done, you can log out securely. That's it. You have successfully registered your problem statement. Join us in shaping solutions for a better tomorrow. Start now at www.niralthiruvizha.in.